Hi, Timothy Unker here, and in this video, I want to talk about quotes in strings in C. So let's create a file, and let's call it quotes.c, and I'll make a little comment up here at the top. Let's get in the habit of doing this. If you're following along, put your name. The purpose of this program is to basically show you how to handle quotes in a string, and we'll put a little copyright information here, and we'll close out that multi-line comment. Then we'll include our header file, and we'll start with our main function. Okay, so let's start with the printf, and let's say we wanted to say Dean says hello, and we wanted hello in quotes. Now, if we do that, it's going to get messed up here, and this is going to cause a problem. Let's try and compile this and see what happens. Okay, so let's save this. Let's open eShell, and let's try and compile quotes.c. And we're getting an issue here. It says, we're expecting something different, all right? So we have to fix this, all right? So let's show you how we would fix this. So the way we do it is we do this / here before each of these quotes, and that's an escape character before each of the quotes, and that will allow you to put those quotes in. Now we can do an escape character and go to the new line. The other thing we could do is if we're using double quotes here, if we say, let's say we wrote another line where Castiel says hello, we can use single quotes, and that won't throw the program off. Okay, we can still do our escape character here. That's another way we could handle quotes in a C program. So let's now try and compile this and go back, and it compiles successfully. And now when we run it, we see we have the quotes. And so we have Dean says hello, hello's in quotes. Castiel says hello, hello's in single quotes. Okay, so that's how to handle quotes in a string in C. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications if you haven't done so already. And I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.